Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Outlook send receive error. So are you seeing an error when trying to send or receive emails in Outlook web app? So let's walk through the step-by-step solutions to fix the Outlook send or receive error using the latest version of the Outlook web app. No panic, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. So step one, check your internet connection. Before diving into Outlook settings, start with the basics. Make sure your internet connection is working properly. So try opening a few other websites like Bing.com or Outlook.live.com in a new tab. If they don't load, just try restarting your router or switching to a different Wi-Fi network. Step two, refresh the Outlook web app. Sometimes Outlook web app temporarily hangs during a send or receive operation. So just go ahead and click on the reload or the refresh icon in your browser, which is this, or press F5 on your keyboard. You can also log out and log back in at outlook.live.com. This refresh clears minor glitches and reconnects your session. Step 3, check Outlook server status. Outlook might be having issues on Microsoft's end, not yours. So here's how to check it. Go to https://portal.office.com/service status, or visit https://downdetector.com/status Outlook and another /. So if you see Outlook.com is experiencing issues, you'll need to wait for Microsoft to resolve it. Step 4, clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache or cookies can cause Outlook to misbehave, and here's how to fix it. Open your browser settings, go to privacy and security, click clear browsing data, select cookies and cached images or files, then hit clear. Now reload outlook.live.com and try again. Next step is to check your inbox and Outbox storage. If your Outbox or inbox is full, Outlook may block new send or receive actions, and here is how to check. On the left panel, just go to Send Items, Outbox, or Draft. If any folder has dozens of hundreds of emails, consider deleting old or unnecessary ones. Also, go to Deleted Items. Here you go, and empty the folder by clicking the empty folder option, which you are going to find at the top here. Freeing up storage can solve the problem instantly. Step 6, check blocked or suspended account notices. If Microsoft detects unusual activity, they may temporarily block sending or receiving for your protection. And here's how to check it. Just click your profile icon, which is at the top right, and click on, also click on that. Click on My Microsoft Account, which you can find. I don't know why it is not clicking for me. So go ahead and click on My Microsoft Account, and once you do that, if there's any suspicious activity alert or security hold, just follow the instructions to verify and unlock your account. You may also receive, You may also receive a pop-up banner in Outlook saying your account has been temporarily suspended from sending messages. Just follow the on-screen prompts to resolve it. You can also try another browser or device, which is step 7. If none of the above works, you just try opening Outlook web app in another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, or log into your account using a different device like a smartphone or tablet. This helps isolate whether the issue is with your browser or the Outlook service itself. So these steps will help you fix the send or receive error in the Outlook web app quickly and safely. Most of the time, it's a simple refresh, clearing cache, or checking account restrictions. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.